Hey guys, this is Suhas Padmalkar, your trading skill partner. वेलकम टू टुडेज वीकली मार्केट अपडेट। आप सबका आपके अपने लाइव सेलर सुहास चैनल में स्वागत है। इन टुडेज सेशन वी आर गोइंग टू सी how was the performance of the market in last week and what signal we are getting for the next week from the chart analysis. For this, we are going to use top-down approach, one of the best technique used by the professional traders. In our NAC itself, there are around 2,700 stocks are listed. So if one is trying to find the performing stock from these 2,700 listed stocks, then it will be very troublesome and very boring. So this top-down approach help us to identify the sector. So we are coming down to only few sectors with the help of top-down approach. And once you know the which sector is performing, then it will be very easy for us to pick up the stocks from the same performing sector. That is the beauty of this top-down approach. And that's why we are getting very good nuggets, very good observation points by using our technique which is called as top down approach. I hope you guys are watching this weekly market update every week and you are building your trading skill, building your confidence through this analysis. Before going ahead, let me give disclaimer. Whatever we are going to learn today in this session, that is purely just for education and information purpose only. Anyway, there is no buy or sell recommendation. As a retail trader, it is your responsibility to do your own research and analysis before entering into any trade. So let's dive in. Today, we are going to see world markets, commodities, cryptocurrencies, Indian markets, and Indian sectoral indices. This is how top-down approach looks like. First comes global markets, that is the satellite view. Second step is Indian markets, that is the helicopter view. Third step in top-down approach is Indian sectoral indices, that is the aerial view. And fourth step in the top-down approach is finding out the individual stock, that is the microscopic view. Guys, in top-down approach, now you must understand our major indices carries 40% weightage, then sectoral indices carries 40% weightage, and our individual stock carries 20% weightage. So what we have to read from this, that is the, as a trader, it is our duty to find out the stocks from the performing sector. Let us see global market first. So first is Dow Jones, monthly weekly RSI above 60, daily between 40 60. So clearly it is a trending market. Next is S&P 500. Here also monthly weekly charts above RSI 60, daily between 40 60. But mid-term and long-term trends are bullish, so no worry. Nasdaq also monthly RSI above 60, daily and weekly RSI between 40 60. So little bit sideways market we can see from the price chart. FTSE UK index, all three RSI above 60. So clearly it is a very good trending market. No worry at all. DAX Germany, all three RSI weekly little bit near 60, but monthly daily above 60. No worry. Weekly is at resistance, but coming week, if price keeps on moving higher, then clearly there will be breakout in DAX Germany. So one must watch for it. Eurostox 50, all three RSI above 60, no worry at all, clearly trending market. Nikkei Japan, monthly weekly RSI above 60, daily RSI between 40 60. Japan market is trending below previous high, so little bit sideways market. CAC France, monthly RSI above 60, monthly and daily RSI above 60, weekly RSI between 40 60. So little bit sideways market. Shanghai Composite China, all three RSI above 60, no worry. Kospi Korea, all three RSI above 60, clearly breakout, very good movement we can see from the chart. Hang Seng Hong Kong, monthly RSI above 60, daily weekly between 40 60. So little bit sideways market. Let us see commodities. For gold, weekly monthly RSI above 60, daily between 40 60. little bit correction we can see in the gold, but fantastic rally we have witnessed. Silver monthly weekly RSI above 60, daily between 40 60, little bit correction happening in gold and silver. Copper, all three RSI above 60. Presently there is a good move in the copper. Copper is at previous resistance, so resistance is a resistance till it does not get crossed. Crude, but it is trading at lower levels, so that is good for the market. US dollar index, all three RSI between 40 60, clearly it is a sideways market. Cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, all three RSI between 40 60, so clearly it is a sideways market. Bitcoin rally is over. Ethereum, all three RSI between 40 60, same way like Bitcoin. Ethereum also showing sideways movement. Under helicopter view, we'll see our Indian market major indices. First one is Nifty 50, all three RSI above 60. Clearly, Nifty is becoming trending. If this trend sustains, then we can witness very good rally. And most important thing is Nifty is able to close above 26,300. So that is very good news for the market. Sensex, same like Nifty, all three RSI above 60, monthly, weekly, daily RSI above 60. Clearly, our market is becoming trending. Very good signal we are getting for the next week. Now, third step in top-down approach is aerial view. That is, we will see the performance of the different sectors like IT, pharma, auto, metal in our Indian market. First one is Nifty Bank. Banking is the primary sector for us. Very good performance from the banks. Clearly, monthly, weekly, daily, all three RSI above 60. We can say Bank Nifty performance is better than Nifty 50 performance. Nifty Fin Services, monthly, weekly, daily, all three RSI above 60. Clearly, Fin Services is also supporting Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty chart was better than Nifty Fin Services. Nifty PSU Bank, all three RSI, monthly, weekly, daily above 60. Clearly, very good breakout, and this sector is performing very good for last couple of months. Next, Nifty Auto, all three RSI above 60. Fantastic rally when our government has reduced GST rates. Since then, our auto sector is performing well and giving continuous rally. So on monthly chart, we can see clearly one side rally it is happening in auto sector. Next is Nifty Metal, all three RSI above 60. Very good trending market, very good move in the metal sector for last couple of weeks. Nifty Pharma, monthly RSI above 60, daily weekly between 40 60. Short term, medium term trend is little bit sideways. Nifty IT, all three RSI between 40 60. So clearly IT sector is sideways. Nifty FMCG, monthly RSI between 40 60, weekly daily below 40. So major concern in FMCG sector. Weekly chart breaking RSI 40, that is not good indication for the FMCG sector. There is something cooking behind the scene. So one must stay away from the FMCG sector in the present scenario. Nifty consumption, monthly RSI above 60, daily, weekly between 40 60. So clearly there is a sideways market in short and medium term trends. Nifty Energy, monthly, weekly RSI between 40 60, daily RSI is crossing 60, but overall medium term and long term trend is sideways for the energy sector. But we can observe if we draw the trend line like this on weekly chart in energy, then let us hope for the breakout this week. One can make bullish view only after breaking this trend line. Nifty Reality, all three RSI between 40 60, clearly sideways market. Nothing much to read from the chart. What is the conclusion? We have seen global markets, Indian major indices, Indian sectoral indices. In this slide, I have given brief summary of RSI levels. We have tried to compare sector and major index performance with respect to previous week performance with the help of RSI indicator. So guys, here monthly and weekly RSI values are shown. So green color indicates RSI value is above 60 and yellow cell indicates RSI value between 40 60 and red cells indicates RSI value below 40. We are following the RSI. So we know when RSI is trending above 60, that is clearly as per our system, we follow when RSI is crossing 60, that means that sector, that index is coming in momentum mode. Next one, guys, Indian market analysis. Whatever we have seen on the chart, just I have tried to tabulate in the table. So second point was helicopter view and aerial view. So clearly here from this table, we can see we are trying to compare last week performance with the 1 week before previous week performance. So we are using RSI indicator for that purpose. Clearly monthly, weekly RSIs are trending above 60 for Nifty and Sensex. So clearly market is in bullish trend. And if you look at the sectors also, so our major indices like metal, auto, infra, PSU bank, fin services, all are showing bullishness. And above all, our primary sector, that is banking sector, is very much in momentum, giving us a very good signal. And that is even performing better than Nifty 50. So that is very good for us going forward. So guys, I hope you like this format. Slowly, we are adding nuggets into our analysis. So from our analysis, we can conclude that world markets are in bullish mode. Our major indices also bullish mode, and our sectors are also giving very good signals. They are also showing lot of bullishness. Going forward for next week, one can have bullish view in the market. If this momentum continues, we will see very good rallies going forward in next week. So I hope you like this format and the nuggets we are getting. So presently, guys, there is no worry at all. Market seems to be in very bullish mode and supported by global markets. But only thing, we are line up for very big event in India, that is our Indian budget on 1st February. So we have to trade cautiously, because when markets are trending, giving good movements, that doesn't mean everything is okay. When ऐसा लगता है ना कि चाय वाला भी स्टॉक खरीदना चालू किया है, सो as a professional trader, one must be very cautious, because when everything seems to be okay in the market, that is when the market makes the top and gets reversal. So as a pro trader, we have to trade cautiously. We have to presently there is no worry, but somewhere in back of our mind we should be prepared for reversal also. And if this breakout fails, then we should trade accordingly. So that should be very clear to us. Presently, very bullish signals. There is no worry at all. But as a professional trader, we must plan for breakout failure also. So do remember this. So that's it, guys. आज के वीडियो में इतना ही. आशा करता हूँ आपको ये वीडियो बहुत ही इंफॉर्मेटिव हुआ रहेगा. If you are liking these sessions and if this content is adding value to your knowledge, then guys, do not forget to like, share, and do comment below and let me know how do you feel about this content. ऐसे ही ज्ञानवर्धक वीडियो के लिए आप हमसे जुड़े रहिए. आई एम गोइंग टू कीप ऑन adding value to this weekly market analysis going forward. So stay tuned and keep on watching our sessions every week. जल्द ही मिलेंगे ऐसे ही नए ज्ञानवर्धक वीडियो के साथ. तब तक के लिए आई एम सुहास पडमलकर, योर ट्रेडिंग स्किल पार्टनर, signing off for the day. Take care of yourself and your family. Till then, good luck and good trading. Thank you.